Are you looking for the best portable washing machines? In this video we will look at some of 4 best portable washing machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. PetForge Spin Fresh Compact Washing Machine. This machine from PetForge is designed for washing pet items like bedding and toys to keep them separate from other household laundry. But after testing this washer, we think it can handle your typical load just as well. With 10 different cycles and a filter for catching pet hair, the Spin Fresh offers many of the features of more expensive models for a fraction of the cost. There are also 4 options for water level. In addition to being affordable, this unit is high-performing. The Spin Fresh was very good at removing soils from our standard load of laundry in our lab tests, and the machine spun enough of the excess water out of clothing at the end of the cycle that they would be easy to hang dry afterwards. While the pet hair filter is great for catching clumps of loose hair on the surface of clothing, we noticed that embedded fur usually didn't budge. We also noticed that the drainage hose was a bit flimsy. Number 2. The Laundry Alternative WonderWash Portable Washing Machine. With this non-electric portable washing machine, you can squeeze a workout in and do a bit of laundry at the same time. Since this 5.5-pound mini machine doesn't need an outlet, all of the cleaning power for this unit comes from hand-turning a crank on the side of the barrel. The machine comes with clear instructions that tell you just how long to keep turning your clothes based on the weight of your load, but how many times you rinse them is up to you. How thoroughly your garments are cleaned will depend on the number of rinses and how much effort you put into wringing out the dirty water between them. In our lab tests, we found that after 5 rinses, this machine cleaned just as well as some of the standard electric models we've tested. Despite all the wringing, this machine was very gentle on clothing too. We found turning the crank to be light work, but wringing out the clothing between rinses was pretty tiring. The brand does also offer an electric spin dryer that can be used after washing to lighten the workload. The WonderWash may not be ideal for large loads of laundry or for anyone who has more than a few loads to wash on any given day, but it's a great option for keeping small items clean in between trips to the laundromat. Number 3. Avanti Portable Top Load Washer. The size and weight of a portable washing machine is an important consideration, especially if you plan on using it in a camper or RV where water and energy are often in limited supply. This model from Avanti allows you to control the amount of water that goes in by selecting a small, medium or large load size. It offers the best combination of large capacity and low electricity use that we were able to find. It's our second largest pick and it has a full set of features. You can delay the start of the wash for up to 48 hours or wash items you need in a hurry in just 15 minutes on the quick wash cycle. Special touches include its soft close glass top lid and a spin-only cycle that helps clothes dry faster, though the washer lacks separate bleach and fabric softener dispensers. The Avanti is heavier than other portable models available, but because it has a capacity of 2 cubic feet, it can accommodate larger load items like bedding. Number 4. Scrubba Wash Bag Portable Laundry System. While it isn't technically a portable washing machine, the Scrubba Wash Bag is a convenient quick fix for washing a few dirty items when a traditional washing machine isn't available, like on a camping trip. Simply place clothing inside, add water and detergent, seal up the bag and scrub away. We tested the Scrubba Wash Bag in our cleaning lab to see how well it removed 20 different food, ink, grass and other stains we applied to cotton fabric test swatches. Following the bag's instructions, we scrubbed for 3 minutes and found that it did a good job removing our stains, and the odors were gone too. The brand says you can wash up to 6 small items at once in the Scrubba, but reviewers online said it's easier to wash just half that amount, plus you'll get a more effective clean if you don't overfill the bag. It folds down for compact storage and toting, and at under £1, it won't add much weight to your camping gear.